Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Teacher Samson taking you through mathematics, grade 9 revision. Welcome as you continue working hard towards your KGCSE this year, and I wish you success. This is distinction KGCSE assessment test junior school grade 9 2025. Kwa hivyo mtu wa grade 9, njoo hapa tufanye kazi. Njoo. This is mathematics paper. Learner's name. These are the details, your particulars. Let's go to question number 1. This is section A, 20 marks. We have another section, which is section B. This section A is for multiple choices. So, tusome swali. A farmer harvested 5, 6, 7, 9, 2, 1, 8 sacks of beans from his farm. What is the place value of digit 7? Okay, this question is like free marks for you, free marks, because it's just PV, place value. So place value, then we have number 2 there, converting number fraction into decimals. So let's do it together. So this is what was expected. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands. We have been told digit 7. So this is thousands, this is tens of thousands. So the correct answer should be tens of thousands. Remember, they can change the question and ask you what is the value. So value means the total value of a digit. So the correct answer there is D for dog. Then we go to convert 346 over 1,000 into decimals. This is very simple. Into decimals, just count the decimal notation. So the number of zeros at the bottom gives us the decimal notation from the right. So let's count 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So it is here. So this is, then you put a 0 here. So this is 0.346. 0.346. What is the answer? Can you see it? This here, 0.346. So very simple, you see? Yeah, you can score high. That is number, I don't know whether you are going to do all of them, but let's go to number 3. Yeah, let's do number after number. Let's go to number 3. So number 3 says, given that the equation of a straight line, do you remember the equation of a straight line? Which is y equals to mx plus y equals, let me write for you the equation. It is usually like this. Y equals to mx plus c. Mx plus c, where c is constant and m is the gradient to that equation. So y equals to 2x plus 1. Calculate the y-intercept. So there is something here you need to know, you need to understand. So you need first of all to understand the y-intercept. So at y-intercept, x equals to 0. At y-intercept, x equals to 0. And at x-intercept, y equals to 0. So no matter the case, it is just the vice versa. So at y-intercept, x equals to 0, and at x-intercept, y equals to 0. So now we are being asked, calculate the y-intercept. So y-intercept is when x equals to 0. So let's go to our equation given. Can you see the equation? This is the equation. Now, in this equation, where we have the coefficient of x, substitute x with 0, because at y-intercept, x equals to 0. So take 0 to x. So let me write the new equation. It will be y equals to 2. Don't write 20. It is 2 times x, and x is 0. So 2 times 0, then you plus 1. Let me ask you, what is 2 times 0? 2 times 0 is 0. So our y equals to 0 plus 1. Yeah, 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1, our y here equals to 0 plus 1, which is 1. So what is the correct answer? Open your eyes. The correct answer is D. D for dog. Yeah, the correct answer is D. Then you go to number 4. Let us hurry up. Number 4 says, a shop increased the price of a soap from 100 shillings to 150. Hey, maisha. Calculate the percentage increase of the price of the soap. Now, here we need to, let me write for you something here. Percentage increase. Unakumbuka percentage increase. So percentage increase will be the increase. It increased from 150. The new increase, the new cost of the soap minus the original cost of the soap. It was 100. Then you always remember when you're calculating something percent, you must always consider the original. So the original before the change was 100. So put 100 down here, and then you multiply by 100%. That is the way. So multiply with 100, then you put the simple. The simple is percent, so 100%. Now, what is 150 minus 100? It is 50. 50. So 50 over 100. So it is 50 over 100. Then you multiply with 100%. So simplify, you can just simplify as simple as that. So these two zeros disappear with this. So it becomes 50%. Did you see? Did you see it? Yeah, it is 50%. All right, let's go to number what? Number 5. Let's go to number 5. We are limited to space, but now we have enough space for number 5. So number 5 says, Ryan recorded the marks he scored in his opener assessment as shown. He has 80, I think this is percentage. 80%, 90%, 60%, 75%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 65%, and 80%. Calculate Ryan's mean score. Hey, mean mark. So mean score is the sum of all the marks. Sum of all the marks over the number of subjects. Sum of marks over subjects. So let's add all of them. You can pick your calculator. So add all of them. Add 80 plus 90 plus 60 plus 75. Let me also use my calculator because this is section A, and section A you do not need to waste time. You need to hurry up. In section A you must hurry up, yeah, because of section B, which requires your attention. So section A is addition of. This is 20 marks. That is ABCD. So if you know them, just write them very fast. 80 plus 90. I am working using my calculator. 80 plus 90 plus 60 plus I have 75. Yeah, you can also use your calculator. Plus 70. Plus 80. Plus 90. Plus 65. Plus 80. Let us see kama alipewa voucher, kama alipewa zawadi. Yeah, in your school, unakumbuka? Yeah, in my school, voucher inaanzanga na 80%. Hebu tuone kama kuna mean score ya 80%. So, the total sum, I have gotten 690. And now we have said you must divide by the number of subjects given. So, the subjects given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9 subjects, eh? Oi, hakufika. Oi, hakupata voucher. So 690 divided by 9 subjects. 690 divided by 9 subjects. Okay, alipita. This is exceeding, eh? Yeah, because alipata 76.666 recurring. So let me just write 66.76.76. So this mark is not bad if you score this in your KGCSE. This mark is going to give you a good school. Yeah, this is exceeding 2 exceeding 2. Yeah, it answered 75% exceeding 2. So to me, angepewa voucher. So the answer was, the mean was animal. Yeah, you see, mathematics is fun. Si kuharibu wakati. Sasa, we go to that is number 5. So let's go to number 6. I think you did this paper in your school. Or did you? So let's go to number 6. Number 6 says, a triangle ABC below is an isosceles triangle. Mnakumbuka isosceles triangle? Yeah, it is. We have 3 types of triangles. Now the 3. We have the right angled, where it is 90. Then we have the equilateral, where all sides are equal. It is 60, 60, 60. Equilateral inakanga namna hii. Then we have the other one, which is scalene. Scalene, none of the side is equal to another. Here inaitwa scalene. Then we have this one now, which has 2 sides which are equal. It is called the isosceles triangle. Yeah, so this is the isosceles triangle. Now, angle what? ABC equals to 43 degrees, as you can see, and AB equals to AC. Those are sides. This side here is equal to this side here. Now, what do we do? Let me pay attention. Find the value of BAC. BAC. So what we are going to do is extend this line. No line. Just extend it, pointing to this angle here. Yeah, just move like that until you point here. So this angle here, this angle you see here, it should be equal to, point to the other one. So this angle here. So this angle here is equal to this angle here. So if this is 43, even this one is 43. Now, do you remember the angle properties of a triangle? The sum of all angles in a triangle, the 3 angles, they sum up to 180. So if you want to know this angle, at A, the angle formed here, just say 180, you minus this 43 mbili. Can you see the 2 43s? Yeah, because this is 43 and this is also 43. So 43 plus 43? Come on, would you? 43 plus 43 is 86. So just say 180 minus 86. You get 90, 94. 94. Yes, your answer. 94. Umeona ndio hii. So 94 degrees. So angle formed at this point is 94 degrees. So the correct answer is cut. That is number 6. Let's go to number 7. Number 7, Anastasia, a grade 9 learner, was asked by her teacher to work out what? The cube root of this, which number is this? 27y cubed x power 6. Now, what was our answer? Now, we need to know how to calculate cube root. Yeah, so before we go further, let us write cube root as 20. This is 27. So this 27, express it as 3 times 3 times 3. So it is 3 power 3. So this is 3 power 3. And then we have y. This y is power 3. Then we have x, and this x is power 6. Now, when you are looking for cube root, you are just raising that power by 1/3. So multiply this by 1/3. 1/3. Unaona kweli? Times 1/3. So kila kitu hapa una multiply by the power itself by 1/3. So the power here is 6. Raise it to multiply by 1/3. So we are multiplying the power itself. So simplify this one. By 3, you get 1. So it is 3. Then for y, it is this by 3, 1, by 3, 1. You get y peke yake. So it is y. Then for x, it is by 3, 1, by 3. This is 6. By 3, 2. So it is x squared. X squared. You put squared up like this. So this is the correct answer. Very simple. You see? Yeah. So the correct answer was B for boy. Yeah, it was B. That is number what? Number 7. The answer was B, as simple as that. Let's go to number 8. What is the volume of a rectangular box whose length, breadth, and height is 2R, 6P, and 4Q? Let me sketch it for you. Kuna mtu haelewi unless uchore. By the way, kuchora ni kuzuri. Ukichora unaelewa. Saa, unaelewa volume ni nini? Yeah, volume is the space occupied by matter. But that is scientific. Now we go to the how we calculate. So this is 2R. Andika 2R upper. Then this is 6B. You write 6B. Just let 6B be here. 6P. 6P here. And 4Q here. Now, what is volume? Volume is, in fact, if this one is a rectangular, you have thought it's rectangular. So you say volume equals to length times width. Length times width times height. So, and the length is, let's say it's 2R. So you put 2R times what? 2R times width, which is 6P times the height. And the height we have said is, the height is 4Q. So in fact, just get the product of the numbers and then you just add the letters. So 2 times 6, 12. 12 times 4, 12 times 4 is 48. So you write 48. Yeah, it will be 48. Then you put R, P, Q. So R, P, Q. And this is the volume. That is the volume of that shape. Yeah, because A times B is AB. So don't ask yourself, why are we saying R, P, Q and not the answer is not A? No. You have to work out. So work out 6 times 2, it becomes 12. 12 times 4, it becomes 48. So 48, then RPQ, 48 RPQ. The correct answer should be D for dog. Did you score? Did you score? It was simple. Simple. The answer is dog. Number 9. Solve for the unknown. Hebu tusome. Soma vizuri bana. Yeah, solve for the unknown. We have 10 raised to 2y equals to 100. So uchukue 100 to is split. Hebu split 100 by 10. It becomes 10 by 10. So ni 10 squared. So you just say 10 power 2y equals to 10 squared. And 10 squared is 10 power 2. Umeshika? Now, we usually say when the base is the same, cancel it or ignore the base. So what can it haraka? So this disappears. And now we have 2y equals to 2. So ulifunzwa grade 6. Simplify by 2. Simplify by 2. So by 2 by 2. Very fast. So kanaendanga hivi. Kanakufa. Inakuwa y equals to by 2 1 by 2 1 1 over 1, which is 1. So y equals to 1. Hao watu wanatucheza, wanadhani hatujui hesabu. So the answer is 1. Is boy. Let me write just here. Yeah, the answer is boy. Kama ulikuwa na mark, you can mark it very fast. It's boy. Then we go to the next number, that is number 10. Wow, tuna move. Yeah, tunasonga kusonga. So yeah, if you have not liked this video, kindly like and then press that inaitwaje subscription. Subscribe to my channel. This is Teacher Samson, where learning is learning to learn. Tuendelee kusoma. Yeah, and then you succeed. No, sisawi channel, share to your colleagues. Sawa? Yeah. We go to which number? Number 10. So first of all, identify the shape. The shape is rhombus. Hata tumeandikiwa hapa. It is rhombus. So find its area. So area of rhombus equals to base times height. Usijaribu kuweka h half. This is just a twisted square. So its area equals to base times height. Equal to, where is height? Height is the perpendicular height, the perpendicular. So height inakuanga hapa hivi. Can you see here? Hiyo ndio height. Umeiona eh? Na ndio hii hapa umeonyeshwa hapa hii. So it is 12. So the base is 20 times and the height is 12. So 20 times 12, pinya calculator haraka 240 or 240. So the correct answer is 240, which is B. B for best. B for best. Yeah, the answer is B. We're gonna go to number 11. Trended number 11. So number 11 tutafanya aje? Number 11, it has a story. Hebu tusome number 11. Yeah, 11 and 12. The distance between Maduguini Comprehensive School and Kijiwetanga Comprehensive School is approximately 20 kilometers. If the scale length below between the two schools on a map is 5 centimeters, find the scale used in statement form. Do you remember the types of scales in social studies? Sawa. Now let's come here to mathematics. This is mathematics. So let me sketch the Maduguini. Maduguini ni hapa, then we have a distance, and then hapa pengine ni wapi? Ni Kijiwetanga. Wacha niandike K. Kijiwetanga. Kijiwetanga ni hapo. So the distance is approximately 20 kilometers. So I write 20 kilometers hapa, and then 20 kilometers there, and then we have the representation is 5 centimeters. So andika 5 centimeters hapa. So this is 5 centimeters. So now we are being asked 1 centimeter represents what? If 5 centimeters represents 20, 1 centimeter will represent, you just divide. 20 divided by 5. Yeah, by 5, 1, by 5, 4. So 1 is 2. 1 represents 4. 1 centimeter represents 4 kilometers. Now usisahau kuandika kilometers because this is representative. This is statement form. 1 centimeter represents 4 kilometers. So the answer is animal. Yeah. Number 12. Express this number to standard form. Standard form. So we are writing this number already. When you see a number, let me give you a hint. When you see the number given is between 1 to 9, it means that number is already in standard form. So the power must be power times 10 power 0. But when you see the number is less than 1, angalia this number after the decimal here, this one. If you see it is less than 1, or the number given, if it is less than 1, like this one, can you see this number? It is 0.00034. This number is less than 1. So if it is less than 1, the power must be negative times 10 power negative power. But if it is more than 2 digits, yeah, if it is more than 9, that is 10 and above, that number must be a positive power. Now let's count together from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number now is 3.46. Then we multiply by 10 power. We have counted how many steps? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 point. Sorry, power 4, but it is negative because the number was less than. You can see we have moved our notation to the right. So when you see the notation of the decimal is moving to the right, it means the power is negative. When you see it is moving to the left, it means the power is positive. So the correct answer here is cut. Munaona kana flow? No, very simple. Very simple. Mathematics is just playing with cards, with the numbers. Very simple. For example, look at number 13. Look at number 13. Imagine number 13. Can you see number 13? Nilikuwa nataka kupunguzia kidogo. Okay, ndio hiyo hapo. So find the circumference. Do you know circumference? Circumference equals to 2 pi r. That is when you are given the radius, you can use 2 pi r. Or circumference equals to pi d. Choose the one you want. So if it is pi d, you must complete this radius to become diameter. Na itakuwa twice. So if it was 14, diameter will be 28. Okay? All right, allow me to use this one here, 2 pi r. So I start with the 2 times pi. Pi is this one we are given here. That is the pi. So 22/7. Why are we using 22/7? Because it is a multiple. These numbers here are multiples of 7. So times 14. As simple as that. So you can simplify. Do you know how to simplify? To simplify is to divide by a common factor that can divide both of them. So numerator versus denominator. So by 7, 1, by 7, 2. Now let's multiply. 2 times 22, hiyo ni 44. 44 times 2, hiyo ni 88. Did you score? Did you score? But you remember this is not area, so you just put centimeters only. Usijaribu kuweka squared, utaanguka nayo. So it is 88. The answer is B for Duncan. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. You can also member yourself. That is just supporting the channel, eh? Yeah, it's good. So 2 bells ring at intervals of 30 minutes and 45 minutes. If they rang together at 10 a.m., at what time had they rang together before? You need to be careful. So when you are asked bells ringing at intervals, this is called LCM. LCM. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. In grade 7, in grade 8, in grade 9, we use the ladder method. Wacha kutumia ile ndogo ya watoto. Tumia hii kubwa. So this is, we are calculating the LCM of 30 and 45. So allow me to start by 15. Si unaangalia namba ambayo inaweza divide all these. So 15 can give me this. This will be 15 divided by 30, itakuwa ni 2 na hii nyingine itakuwa ni 3. Then I go now to 2 because this is LCM. LCM si kama nini? GCD. GCD is looking for common divisor which can divide all of them at the same time. Yeah. So this one gives me hapa kanakuwa ni 1 na hapa kanakataa. So kakikataa, you go back to now 3. This one kanakufa na kanakufa. So the answer is 15 times 2, 30. That times 3, 90. So when you get 90, remember we have got a 90. Wacha niandika hapa. So 90, this is minutes. Do you remember 1 hour equals to, this is 90 minutes, eh? Yeah. 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 60. Oh, so 90 minutes equals to how many hours? Oh, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay. So this is 1 hour, 30 minutes. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now, what have I written? 1 hour, 30 minutes. Let me shade it. 1 hour, 30 minutes. So when you get to 1 hour, 30 minutes, what should you do? Go to the 2 bells ring at intervals. At what time had they rang together? So before. So before means before ifike 10 a.m. zilikuwa zimepigwa tena together at what time? So just, are we going to add or to subtract? By the way, kuna mtu alikuwa anashangaa. Are we going to add or subtract? That is my question. Because we have been asked before, so take away. So 1 hour, 30 minutes. Do you know how to subtract minutes and hours? Be careful not to, when you borrow, you remember you are borrowing what? 1 hour. And 1 hour is how many minutes? 60. So these are the minutes. So when you borrow, you are borrowed what? 60 minutes. So let's borrow here. This one remains 9. And then this becomes 60. So 60 minus 30? Come on, ni 30. Then 9 minus 1 is 8. So the correct answer is 8:30 a.m. Ulikula hiyo? Check, just confirm. Ukujua? Fine, that is C. I want us to reach to this number 20, but before that, let's continue. Number 15. Let's go to number 15. Number 15 is up here, up here. Yeah, number 15. Where's number 15? Can you see it? Three tractors can plow a piece of land in 6 days. Find the number of days it will take 9 similar tractors to plow the piece of land, the same piece of land at the same rate. Okay. So what do we do here? This is very simple. Eh? Yeah, this is very simple. So you just do this. These are the tractors. These are the days. But again, we need common sense. When they were 3 tractors, they took 6 days. So that means 6 times 8, 3 times 6 will be 18. And 18 means 18 tractors would take 1 day. Okay. Increasing the tractors, what will happen? We have increased the tractors to 9. What will happen to the days? Is it going to increase or to reduce? So this is definitely it will reduce. So it will go down. So for this equation to go down, just say 3 times 6 over 9. Hivyo tu. Nakameisha. So simplify by 3, 1, by 3, 3. Continue simplifying by 3, 1, by 3, 2. So it will be 2 days. Najua ni kwa nini? Because when you increase the tractors, then the days are going down. When you reduce the number of tractors, then the days will be high. The number of days. So the correct answer here is animal. As simple as that. Number 16, calculate. This one we did when they said X-intercept. Can you remember that number? When you say X-intercept, remember Y must be 0. When you say Y-intercept, X must be 0. So at X-intercept, Y must be 0. So substitute for Y, put 0. So just say 0 equals to 3x minus 9. What do we do? Take 9 to the other side. Beba, itakuwa 9. Itakuja kuwa positive. So it is 9 equals to 3x. Then what do we do? You divide by 3. You divide by 3 both sides. Sawa. Kudivide ni kufanya hivi. So divided by 3, it will become by 3, 1, by 3, x, by 3, 1, by 3, 3. So x equals to 3. Fantabulous. So the answer is B for buy. B for buy. Next number is number 17. Number 17. It says, number 17 says, the temperature of water was 12 degrees Celsius. If the temperature if the temperature increased by 4, increase means addition. So 12 plus 4. Hii ni ya kufanya tu na kichwa. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So the correct answer is boy. This paper was very simple. Okay. Yeah, even the exam you are waiting will be simple. The 3 sides of a triangle are as shown. X plus 3, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 1. This is called isosceles triangle. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is total distance round a shape. So tuanze kazi, we go like this. That is x plus 3 plus another x plus 3. Tutapata ngapi by the way? X plus 3 plus x plus 3. Like times together. X plus 3 plus x plus 3. Sini kama times 2 plus x plus 3. And then You remember there is another one here at the bottom here. So it is 2x plus 1. So you write 2x plus 1. So able to find. So we start with x. 2x plus 2 plus x plus x. That is 2, 3, 4. So you write 4x. Then you go to 1 plus 3 plus 3, 7. Plus 7. Then you remember this is perimeter. So they are just centimeters, one dimension. So that is the answer. It will be, can you see it? Yeah, it is D. D for dog. D for dog. So it will be dog. Whoa, this is the longest video I've ever recorded. It is going to take you 50 minutes. Not 50. Yeah, 50. It will be 50 minutes. We go to number 19. Number 19 says work out. Then you are given subtraction. What should we pay attention with the matrix? Remember, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So they must be compatible. So this 2 is going to be added to be subtracted with this. And remember, minus becomes addition. So this is negative 2 minus 5. It will be 2, negative 2 plus 5. So negative 2 plus 5 negative 2 plus 5 is 3, positive 3. So it must be, let me write my matrix here. It will be 3, up itakuwa 3, which is positive. Then we go to 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. You write 6 here. Then you come to this. 3 minus you have said is plus. So it is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. It becomes 7. You write 7 here. Then we go next. Yeah, this is 7. Then we go to this. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So you write 7. So this is the correct answer. Can you see it? 3, 6, 7, 7. 3, 7, 6, 7. So it is here. B for best score. B for best score. So that is B. Where are we now? Finally, we are in number 20, the last one. Number 20 is the last one in this paper. Till we meet again. So Paul Horizon, and Laura shared that 6,000 shillings in the ratio 354, respectively. Respectively means in that order. Let me show you something. This is Paul. This is for Paul. This is for Horizon, and this is for Laura. Let's go to the question. How much did Laura get? This is very simple. So you write the fraction of their ratio. This is 4 over total. Add them. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4. Come on, Ujui. 8 plus 4 is 12. So it is 12. Multiply with the money. The money is this one here, 36. So you write 36,000. Hii ni simple sana. Allah. 36,000. So simplify. By 4, 1. By 4, 3. Let's simplify. By 3, 1. By 3, 1, 2. 12. 12. Then you put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like that. So the answer is 2,000, 12,000, 12,000. Yeah, yeah. This animal. This is animal. Thank you. God bless you. Till we meet again. Don't fail to watch part B, section B. Yeah.